Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome back to the Stata course on summary statistics and regression analysis. We will have a look at how to manage data within groups. Sometimes we need to get information for different groups of individuals. For example, we may want to know the average hourly wage for female and male workers. That is, to get the average hourly wage for each gender group. Or we may want to figure out the minimum or maximum wage for the workers in different age groups. To do that, we use Stata's bysort prefix. The bysort prefix can be used with many Stata commands. We specify the bysort prefix followed by a categorical variable, which presents the groups we want to analyze. After the colon, we type Stata commands. The Stata command following the bysort prefix will be executed for each group defined by that categorical variable. Let's open our course dataset BOB.dta. You can download the dataset from the resource link. The do file for this topic is also provided below. There is a categorical variable called health. There are 5 categories or groups: excellent, very good, good, fair, and poor. Within each category or group, we can calculate the mean, the minimum value, and the maximum value of another variable, say hourly wage. We type bysort health, colon, summarize hwage. We find that the average hourly wage decreases as health condition deteriorates. On average, healthy workers earn more than unhealthy workers. If we want to create new variables that contain the within-group information, we can use the hwage command within each group. We type bysort health and colon, and the command hwage wage group mean equals the function mean and the variable hwage inside the parenthesis. We browse the data to check the result. The average hourly wage for the first health group, the excellent, is $24.9. It is $24 for the very good and $20.3 for the good. The fair health group has an average hourly wage of $16.7. It drops to $14.3 for the poor health group. Using the same method, we can create another 2 variables for the minimum value and the maximum value of wage for each health group. Please refer to previous videos about how to use the summarize and the hwage commands in Stata. Many Stata commands can be used with the bysort prefix for within-group operation. Next, let's jump to underscore variables. We have met an underscore variable, the underscore merge, on the topic of how to merge datasets. Today, I will introduce the underscore small n and the underscore capital N. Underscore small n returns the number of the current observation. underscore capital N returns the number of total observations. Let's look at the first 10 observations of the hourly wage variable by typing list hwage in 1 to 10. We can display the first observation of the hourly wage variable by typing display hwage and a square bracket. We put the observation number inside the square bracket. Here we type the number 1. Similarly, we can display the 10th observation of the variable. If we want to show the last observation of the variable, we can specify underscore capital N. There were 4,183 observations for the variable hourly wage. Underscore capital N represents the 4,183rd observation, that is the last observation. If we specify underscore small n minus 1, we can generate a new variable with the current value replaced by the previous value. Let's list the variables. The hwage2 variable contains the hourly wage values in the previous observation of hwage. The first observation of hwage2 is missing because there's no previous observation for that. It helps in data management to combine the bysort prefix with the underscore variables. It provides operations within groups. If we want to create the observation number and the total number for each group defined by health, we can type bysort health. Generate ID equals underscore small n, and bysort health generate total equals underscore capital N. Let's go ahead and execute the commands. Now, inside each health group, we have two new variables, one for ID and the other for total numbers. For instance, inside the first health group, the excellent group, there were 698 observations. The ID value for this group equals the current observation number from 1 to 698. The total variable has one value, 698, which is this group's total number of observations. Today, we have learned how to manage data within groups. We use the bysort prefix in the front of the Stata commands we want to operate within each group. We also have a look at the underscore small n and the underscore capital N. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you tomorrow on the next topic. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.